What happens when you start eating carrots every day? Well, today we begin our journey to find out. Adding carrots to your daily diet is like inviting a superhero into your life. They're packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. Number 1. Improved vision. Carrots are renowned for their potential to improve and maintain good vision. This is primarily due to their high content of beta-carotene, a pigment that gives carrots their vibrant orange color. In the body, beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A, a nutrient essential for eye health. Vitamin A plays a central role in maintaining vision, particularly in low-light conditions. It helps form the pigment rhodopsin in the retina, which is necessary for night vision. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to night blindness, a condition in which it becomes difficult to see in dim light. However, it's essential to note that while carrots are a great source of beta-carotene, consuming excessive amounts won't give you superhuman night vision. Rather, they contribute to the maintenance of healthy eyesight and reduce the risk of vitamin deficiency-related vision problems. Regularly incorporating carrots into your diet can be especially beneficial for those who spend a lot of time outdoors or in low-light conditions, as it helps support optimal visual function and eye health over the long term. Number 2. Healthy skin. Carrots are not just a treat for your taste buds, they are also a treat for your skin. The antioxidants found in carrots, such as beta-carotene and vitamin C, work together to promote healthy, radiant skin. Beta-carotene is a potent antioxidant that helps protect your skin from the harmful effects of free radicals. These unstable molecules can damage skin cells and accelerate the aging process, leading to wrinkles and fine lines. By regularly consuming carrots, you can provide your skin with a natural defense mechanism against these harmful molecules. Moreover, vitamin C in carrots promotes collagen production. Collagen is a structural protein that plays a critical role in maintaining skin elasticity and preventing sagging. It also helps the skin retain moisture, contributing to a youthful and hydrated complexion. Additionally, the potassium in carrots can help maintain proper hydration levels in your skin cells, reducing the risk of dryness and flakiness. This mineral also aids in the efficient exchange of nutrients and waste products in skin cells, contributing to overall skin health. Number 3. Boosted immunity. Carrots are not just a crunchy snack, they are also a powerful ally in strengthening your immune system. The immune-boosting properties of carrots can be attributed to their rich nutrient profile, particularly their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is well known for its role in enhancing immune function. It stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. These cells include lymphocytes, phagocytes, and neutrophils, which play critical roles in identifying and destroying pathogens. Additionally, vitamin C supports the production of antibodies, proteins that help your immune system recognize and neutralize foreign invaders like bacteria and viruses. A robust supply of antibodies is crucial for effective immune responses. Regularly consuming carrots can provide your body with a steady dose of vitamin C, which is especially important during cold and flu season or when facing other immune challenges. It can help fortify your defenses, reduce the likelihood of falling ill, and aid in the faster recovery if you do become sick. Carrots also contain other immune-supportive nutrients such as vitamin B6 and folate, which contribute to overall immune health. By making carrots a part of your daily diet, you can give your immune system the nutritional support it needs to keep you healthy and vibrant. Number 4. Oral health. Maintaining good oral hygiene is vital for overall health, and carrots can play a role in promoting healthy teeth and gums. The simple act of chewing on crunchy foods like carrots can stimulate saliva production, which is one of the first lines of defense for your mouth. Saliva serves several essential functions in maintaining oral health. It helps neutralize acids produced by bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of tooth decay and erosion. Saliva also contains antimicrobial proteins that can inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, contributing to a balanced oral microbiome. Moreover, increased saliva production can help maintain proper fillip levels in your mouth. A balanced pH is essential for preventing the demineralization of tooth enamel and the formation of cavities. A well-lubricated mouth also reduces the risk of dry mouth, a condition that can lead to bad breath and an increased susceptibility to dental problems. In addition to their saliva-stimulating properties, carrots contain vitamins and minerals that support overall oral health. Vitamin A, for example, is essential for the health of mucous membranes, including those in the mouth. Vitamin C promotes gum health by supporting collagen production, which is necessary for maintaining the integrity of gum tissue. Number 5. Cancer prevention. The potential cancer-fighting properties of carrots have piqued the interest of researchers and health enthusiasts alike. While carrots alone cannot guarantee the prevention of cancer, they contain compounds and nutrients that have been associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. One of the key components in carrots with potential cancer-fighting properties is their high content of antioxidants. Antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and other phytochemicals, help neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and lead to cancer development. Beta-carotene in particular has been linked to a lower risk of developing lung cancer, especially in individuals who smoke or are exposed to secondhand smoke. Studies have suggested that a diet rich in beta-carotene containing foods like carrots may be protective against lung cancer, particularly in those with higher risk factors. Additionally, a diet rich in beta-carotene has been associated with a reduced risk of other cancers, including bladder, prostate, and breast cancer. While the research is ongoing, regularly including carrots and other colorful vegetables in your diet can be a proactive step in reducing your cancer risk. Carrots contain other bioactive compounds, such as falcarinol and falcarinol, which may have protective effects against cancer. These compounds are being investigated for their potential to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Number 6. Blood sugar regulation. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar effectively. Carrots can be a valuable addition to a blood sugar-friendly diet due to their relatively low glycemic index (GI) and fiber content. The glycemic index measures how quickly a carbohydrate-containing food raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a low GI are digested and absorbed more slowly, resulting in gradual increases in blood glucose. This gradual rise in blood sugar is beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Carrots have a relatively low GI, which means they have a modest impact on blood sugar levels when consumed in appropriate portions. The fiber in carrots plays a significant role in regulating blood sugar. Soluble fiber, such as pectin found in carrots, forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, slowing down the absorption of sugar. By doing so, soluble fiber helps prevent rapid spikes in blood glucose after a meal, promoting stable blood sugar levels. This can be especially helpful for individuals with diabetes who need to manage their blood sugar throughout the day. Moreover, carrots contain natural sugars like sucrose and glucose, but these sugars are not concentrated, and their impact on blood sugar is moderated by the fiber content. This makes carrots a suitable choice for those looking to enjoy a sweet taste without compromising their blood sugar control. So, if you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to boost your overall health, don't underestimate the superhero qualities of carrots. Make them a part of your daily routine, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. If you found this video informative and helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on nutrition, health, and well-being. And as always, remember to eat your carrots. They just might be the key to unlocking your health's full potential. Thanks for watching, and we'll